on, Raj. You'll make it this time.
Oh, come on!
Huh. Looks like it's harder than it seems.
Hey guys, what are you up to?
Hey.
So we're trying to throw a pencil into that jar. No luck so far.
Well, that can't be so hard.
What?
Fine. I think I'd better go shoot some hoops.
So, honestly, was it some kind of magic?
What? No, Sammy, it's about practicing. You want me to show ya?
You bet.
Let's go then. Hey guys, tell me, do you like arcade games?
Sue, what on earth does this have to do with the accuracy of the aim?
I was just going to point that out, Sammy. We're going to make an amazing and definitely fun arcade game.
An arcade that will help us always score the bullseye? Sounds terrific, Susan. Guys, if you agree, give us a thumbs up.
Its main goal will be to feed starving crocodiles. We'll start with Jaws. Guys, be careful with the cutter.
I don't feel very comfortable around crocodiles. Will there be many of them?
I guess 5 will be enough to have a fun practice. We'll need these pieces a little bit later.
5? What will we feed them?
One curious little slime.
Oh.
Relax, Sammy, I'm just kidding. Wait a second. Let our craft be really bright. Much better. Now we can really start. Guys, be very careful with the glue gun. You'd better ask an adult to help you at this stage. There we go. And now we can attach these little details that will be something like the teeth of our crocodiles.
Susie, you mentioned 5 crocodiles. I assume these are just 2?
That's right, Sammy. Our game will have 2 levels of those crocodiles. So I thought you might help me with the second one, making 3 jaws in it.
I'm on it.
Great. In the meantime, we'll deal with this piece. Up. Or rather, 2 of them. Cool. Since these are going to be the upper jaws that are supposed to move, we'll need these. Each piece will get its own popsicle stick.
Did somebody say popsicle? Are we eating something tasty? No thank you.
All right. Guys, next we'll need 2 pieces like this. You see, it's kind of undercut in the middle. Make an opening with the width of a popsicle stick in it. And glue it to the piece we made before. Like that. Next, we'll do this. Quite easy, right? Did you finish with your part, Sammy?
Of course I did. How can you question my crafting skills?
Wow, perfect! Now it's time to start making the body of our arcade game. Stay tuned, guys!
Wow, what a massive construction's going on here! Whoa!
Oh, sorry, Sammy. This arcade game is going to be rather big, and right now we're making a slope.
Isn't it kinda too late for sledding anyway? Although this is one of the things I'm always ready for.
Sammy, you can take your equipment off. And you guys should watch this video till the end to find out the answer. But now let's install the first row of our hungry little crocodiles. Be very careful with the hot glue, guys. This bearer piece goes here. And another one goes straight to the opposite side. Sammy, would you be so kind to bring me those?
Are you talking about this, Susie?
Oh, thanks, Sammy. Guys, do you see these openings I've made in advance? Glue the bearing pieces opposite to these openings. They will make the mechanism of our game spin.
You forgot something.
Oh, thank you, Sammy. We'll insert one end of this skewer into the opening so that its other end goes straight to the bearing piece.
Be careful not to hurt yourself doing this, guys.
Check this out, guys. It spins just like it should.
Oh, Susan, I hope we won't need to spin it manually.
Of course not, Sammy. We're the masters of cardboard. We need a motor and fans. Voila!
I see. The motor will make these fans work. And they will make the crocodile's jaws open. That's brilliant! I think this is worth a Nobel Prize, if you know what I mean.
Here comes the second floor of our hungry crocodiles. Perfect!
Don't you want to make a tiny adjustment?
Sure, Sammy. That's better.
guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
Guys, I really need a coffee break. See you in a second. Ah, coffee, finally.
Super Slime rushes to the rescue.
Thank you. You're like a bat slime.
That's the hero this channel deserves. Give a thumbs up.
Let's close this part with the lid. Great. Okay, guys, the biggest part of our craft is almost done. Now it's time to make a catapult.
No kidding, Sue? A real one?
As real as it can be when it's made from cardboard. How else do you think we're gonna feed our crocodiles?
I don't know. What do crocodiles usually eat in wild nature? Meat?
Yeah, but we're not throwing real meat to ours. Now we need 2 more cardboard gears. Wow! And another one. Awesome! We'll start with this piece. It'll need a few adjustments, so be very careful with the cutter, guys.
I've been thinking while we're working hard here, Roger's still shooting hoops. That's not fair.
You're totally right, Sammy. Why don't you take the body of our game to him so that he deals with all the wires?
That's exactly what my idea was about. Soldiering can be quite dangerous, guys. You should always ask Roger, adults, to help you.
In the meantime, we'll continue with our catapult. Let's put wide wooden sticks into these openings like this and insert a piece of a skewer in between like this. Don't forget to secure everything with glue and make it look neat. Here we need to insert a smaller piece of a popsicle stick.
So, Roger's almost done with the soldering.
And I'm almost done with the catapult. Can you bring me a rubber band, Sammy?
Here they are. All colors. Buy 2 and get 1 for free.
Oh, I only need 1, but thank you.
That's it. Ugh, all my efforts are gone for nothing.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sammy the Drama King.
Oh, it's always easy to laugh at a miserable slime.
Oh, don't be sad, Sammy. Better check out what we've got. Secure the whole construction with the smaller gear. Our catapult will be able to turn for better aiming.
Guys, you'd better subscribe to our channel. This arcade game is far from being the only one that Sue and I have made.
Done! Okay, Sammy, let's go get our main craft from Roger. It's time to make a few finishing touches and finally play! Check this out, guys! Roger not only connected all the wires, but also installed a battery and a speed controller. Cool!
You know, Sue, I saw him scoring a 3-pointer a few in a row, actually. I bet he'll beat us in this game.
Shh! Don't jinx it! We made this craft, so we're the true masters. We only need to attach our catapult and a few closing lids. One goes here.
I got the backside covered.
Ah, terrific, Sammy. There's only one thing left. Now it's done.
We're gonna put stickers with points to help us find the winner.
Come on, Sammy, I'm waiting here.
I'm coming. What am I, a caddy who always brings the balls?
Thank you, Grumpy Slime. Let's get started.
I'm ready to switch the machine on. Ready, set, go!
Here we go.
Missed again.
Oh, that's quite hard.
Move over, let me show you how to do it.
Guys, I heard you cheering from outside. Whoa, is the new craft already finished?
Yeah, Raj, but wait your turn. Come on!
Guys, I hope you liked this craft. Try to make one at home to play with your friends, and I promise you'll never get bored.
Scooch, Sammy, let me try.
I've got 2 more shots.
See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.